What is up, my people? We are back in the kitchen. I'm gonna do an afternoon project with a buttload of tomatoes. Like a ton. Like that, well, it's not a ton, like 2,000 pounds, but that's 35 pounds of tomatoes. 35 pounds. I picked that all yesterday. And yeah, so I need to jar them, and I'm not gonna make salsa, and I'm definitely not gonna do ketchup. That is for damn sure. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna blanch them, I'm gonna peel them, and I'm gonna jar them. I'm just gonna do it's called raw packed tomatoes with no added liquid. That's the recipe name. And as always, it's in that Ball Preserving recipe book on page 356. There's the name. There are the instructions. The first set. That's just telling you like preparing the jars, how to blanch them, and then what you can do with the citrus acid to get the correct level of acidity in your jars, because that is important. And then this is the instructions. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be blanching them. We're going to be quartering them, we're going to jar them, and then we are going to preserve them. And so I don't think this will be a terribly like hard project to do, but it's going to be pretty time consuming, but only with the blanching. That's a lot of blanching, okay? All right, so I'm hoping that the blanching will take the longest thing, and then when we actually preserve them, the jar's got to be in the preserver, the canning canning pot, that's what it's called, for 85 minutes. So, but the nice thing is I don't have to sit here and stir it for 85 minutes. So that is a nice thing. So first off, we're going to go ahead and blanch. Alright guys, I got the tomatoes peeled, and as you can tell, it can get a little sloppy in here. Doing tomatoes is not an easy thing to do. Alright, it gets very messy, and I got stuff all over the floor, and it's dripping off the counter and it's all over the place. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean up the countertops. Then I'm going to get the ball jars out, set them out up on a towel, and then put the jars, or fill the jars up with the tomatoes that I just did. So yeah, watch You just saw that footage, and now we're going to go ahead and put it into the canning pot. Alright, so we boil that for 85 minutes. Alright guys, so I got the tomatoes out of the canner. This is what they look like. And the separation freaked me out a little bit because I did this last year and I don't remember them doing that. But my wife and I did a little research and that is normal apparently for this kind of thing.
Because it's cold packed.
Because it's what?
Cold packed and not cooked.
Cold packed and not cooked. So yeah. So that's what we're at with today. I have some other quart-sized jars going in the canner right now so that they can sterilize, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of it. I still have like half a pot left, so hopefully I can fit it all in the 7 big jars that I have in there. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. So hope you liked it. We'll see you next time. Take it easy. Peace.